Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Piranha Pit Fish Farm. I call it that because that's the way they act when you throw food in there on top of the water. Boom, that didn't take long. Boy, he's a puller. Pulling like a horse. What do we got there? He's not done yet. Ah, big copper-nosed bluegill, also known as a shell cracker. That's a meal in itself. Beautiful fish. Whole copper face. All right, let's give him a flying lesson. What's the magic word? Wait, he wants a close-up before he goes. Then we'll teach him to fly. What's the magic word? Contact! Ah! Let's get another one. Let's get another one. That's too fun. Oh, there's another one. What a great place to fish. Got a whole flock of fish down under there. Or would you call it a school? Here he comes. Another big copper-nosed bluegill. Beautiful fish. You'd never starve if you lived here. Look at the size of that thing. All right, let's say bye-bye, fishy. And we need one more. That'll make us feel better about not fishing the rest of the day. Just one more. Oh, there we go. There we go. What a fun place to fish. He's not as big as all the others, but he's still respectable. Bye-bye, fishy.